Adding content to DesignSpark. To do this, if you look at the top right hand side, you will find a contribute button. Simply click on this button to be presented with a list of the different types of content you can add. You can add an article, a project, a news item, or you can ask a question. Today, we're going to add an article, but it's important to understand that all article content to DesignSpark needs to be unique. When you click on Add an Article, a template will open, which will allow you to construct your article. You need to insert a title. You don't need to worry about the slug, that's done automatically. You need to add an excerpt. You need to add additional keywords, and you need to add an image. And as you scroll to the bottom, you'll find the main body text. This is where you can construct your article. To save time, I've already started a template. I've given my content a title, Communication Protocols for IoT, and I've given the excerpt as a brief description of what the piece of content will be about. That's important because it allows people to preview your content and they'll decide whether they would like to read it. So it's important that it represents the content you're about to write. You can see that I've added keywords. All the keywords are relevant to the content piece. You can add new keywords and simply separate each keyword with a comma. You need to choose an image for your content. This is the thumbnail image, which is also the preview image. To do this, just click Choose a File, and you will find that this opens to your local drive. And from here, you can go into your folders and select an image. Once you've selected the image, just click Open. This will place the image into your attachment. You will then need to decide where you want this content to live on site. So Parent, you have a drop down, and you can select from the drop down the area where you want this piece of content to appear. I've selected Internet of Things. You can also add attachments. Again, just click on Choose a File. And this will take you to your local drive where you can select attachments to add. You can add more than one attachment, so you can give each attachment an attachment description. Body, this is where you start to prepare the main text of your piece of content. So you have all of the different functionality here. If you have code, if you click on this button, you can insert code. You can upload imagery. You can add tables. You can add video, and you can create hyperlinks. And then also you have functionality for left and right alignment, center, bold text, italic, strike through, etc. Let me show you how to add a video to your piece of content. It's quite simple. Navigate to a page, place on the page that you want the video to appear. What I do is I can go to a video that I have on YouTube. I can click on this share button here, and I can either take the direct code here, or I can take the embed code. On this occasion, I'll take the embed code. So simply highlight the code, copy. Let's go back to the piece of content. You can see that the cursor is here. And if I go to this button, which is called Insert Edit Media, left click, simply select embed and paste the code here. So now we've inserted a video into the piece of content. Okay, let me show you how to do an image. So I have the cursor and I've marked on page where I want the image to appear. Go to the upload image icon here, simply select, click choose file, and again just locate to your local drive where you have the image stored. And click open. Now you'll see that the image has been placed where we want it. Also, you can create hyperlinks. The way to do this is just to highlight the text. So click on the left-hand mouse button and scroll across the text, and you'll see that this text is colored blue. Okay, let me go and get a hyperlink. So I want to reference this piece of content from here. So I'm just copying the URL. So right click, copy, go back to the content here, highlight the word that I want to hyperlink from, right click, and then select link and paste the URL in here. At this point, if you go to target and select open in new window, this will allow that hyperlink to open in a new window, and simply click OK. And now we've created the hyperlink. And you can do that many different times within the content if you want to reference other material and sources. The other thing that you can consider hyperlinking to is the RS line level page. So you have the ability to link from your content to stock number line level at RS. And the way you do this is you write it in this format. So it's open bracket, insert the RS stock number with the dash, and then close the bracket. What we've done, we've saved this stock number as a hyperlink. So this will link directly to the line level page at RS components. Let me just save this. Save. When you are creating content, it is important to save your content periodically. You don't want to lose content. So if you accidentally close down, you want to make sure that your content is still safe. So periodically, make sure you click the save button. Now, what you can do from here, you can start to look at your content to see how it will appear on page. So click view. This will open the content preview. And this is exactly how your piece of content will appear on the DesignSpark website. So you can see that we have the title, we have our text. Here's the video that we've inserted. So this will play here. Here's the image we've added, and here are our hyperlinks. And let's just check those. So you can see that we've opened a hyperlink to a new page here. Let me close that. And then lastly, we can look at this stock number hyperlink, which should take us to the RS line level page. Let's click on this. And this should take us to the RS Pro AAA battery. So you can see that we have now created our content. So we have inserted video, imagery, hyperlinks, keywords, the excerpt, the title, and the place on DesignSpark where we want this piece of content to appear. And from here, this is your base, and you can go on and create more content. Also, just make sure you press the save button periodically. Thank you.